Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this TFlexCam training course, and the topic for today will be the custom machining cycles. So previously we've created one machining cycle, we've seen how to do it. Now we will try to use it. So I have this 2D drawing, and I have my cycle already done and saved in my computer. If you remember, it was a milling cycle. So if I call milling, I have one function here that is this user, or better saying custom machining cycle. So I will call my cycle, and now I have the possibility to give tool files and the same definition we've done already. And you see here the cycle parameters, the ones we inserted, so they are here for definition. And besides this, we can have, so if I say 300 or whatever, or 50 here, we have the possibility to create this toolpath with this custom cycle in several ways. And those ways depend on the information we choose here. We can create this machine cycle without coordinates input. So in this particular case, I simply give my parameters and say calculate the cycle. I can choose this option here with the definition point, and this is the machine cycle with the node coordinates input. I can choose a path also, and this is to create the machine cycle with a toolpath. Or I can create, for example, also a machine cycle with node coordinates output and linear moves between the paths nodes. So I can create a set of functions with these guys here. Okay, so there are a couple of possibilities. For example, to show, if I simply collect a path and say I don't have any tool chosen. If I say, for example, let us try one tool, and if I say calculate, then if you go to machine simulation, you can see that I have in here the G56S2000, M08, and the G43. Okay, the Z, the plan height, we have it here, and it goes down, 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 and you see in the end we have also our parameters, and in the middle we have this G43, which it's not okay on the definition. You see that he's present in this cycle. This is to show that for the specific function it can create the toolpath with these parameters. Okay, for sure, it was not a function to create associative to this path, but I think it serves to show that we can connect all the things we've seen already previously inside the CAM mode, also with these specific user custom cycles. Okay, so I think the example it's at least easy enough for you to understand what is possible to do with this. Again, this is one more function that it's very specific, and each user can do its own specific cycles, but you should start and try and to see what happens according to your specific needs. In case of need, in case of support, anything less clear in this video, send us a note, send us a contact, and we are here for support on the needs that you send us.